Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our grammar in English. So, before going to English grammar, we have to know the pattern of the paper. Yes, pattern of the paper. The in pattern we are going to learn, that is in first section 1 we are going to have a paragraphs. We are going to have a paragraphs. In that paragraphs we are going to get one from prose and one from poetry. Whatever the questions, whatever the para is removed from the textbook, whatever the lesson, from any lesson, they switch, they'll remove from any lesson and they'll be removing any middle part, and they are going to ask some questions based on that paragraph. So by that paragraph, by understanding, by reading, we can understand the paragraph and we can answer the given questions. Okay, so like this, to understand, before going to understand that, before going to read that, you have to know perfectly about alphabets and reading perfect. So you have to be thorough with the lesson. At the same time, you have to be thorough with the reading. Reading is compulsory, because when you learn or when you read each and every paper, each and every sentence, you have to understand more perfectly. So when you understand easily the sentence and the line where you are reading in a paragraph, you can easily attempt the answers for a given questions for the given paragraph. Okay, so come now, let us move. Section 1 we are going to have paragraphs. So, and in section 2 we are very familiar with that, with the objective, full of grammar. It is full of grammar. So in section 2 they may ask adjectives, means pronouns in the sentence. Only in the sentence they may ask adjectives, pronouns, and also mostly vowels, consonants, different types of pronunciation, different types of blends, diaphragms, means verbs, adverbs, pronoun, noun, like this they may ask. So we should identify the sounds, vowel sounds, and what is long vowel sound, what are the consonants. Before knowing to these, we have to know the alphabets. Yes, so how we are going to pronounce each and everything slowly. Why I'm going to tell from the starting from the alphabets, because if you can listen from these, you can two three patterns. If you listen 2 3 patterns, we can go for the paragraphs. And also, what are the objective, how they are going to ask on a verb, a pronoun, if they say to change from the adverb to verb, if they say to change from the adjectives, and if they say to change from the pronoun to noun. How we can identify these? It is a noun, it is a pronoun, it is a adjective, it is a common nouns, it is a vowel, it is a consonants. How we can identify? So from to get that idea, I'm going to start from the alphabets, Nana. So everyone be listening carefully. Each and every letter I'm going to explain, and each and every alphabet I'm going to show you how to pronounce, and also how to make a letters in a form of how these alphabets I'm going to make a word, and how we are going to pronounce that, and how we are going to say that it is a noun, it is a pronoun. In the next section I'm going to say that why we are going to how the words are, how the letters, these words are called nouns and pronouns, and also adjectives, and faces, different types of grammar it is present in English, Nana. So from little bit somewhat different people, they may have, they don't know such alphabets also. So I'm going to learn from the alphabets onwards. Okay, so now let us move alphabets. So See, Nana, can you see your A? Hmm? B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, these are of small letters. So these are, see, can you identify? These are also A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. But can you identify the difference from these two alphabets? Yes, can you identify? These are alphabets, these are alphabets. But coming to the these, they have some specialized alphabets. Here, these are upper one, they are called as small letters, and here lower, here these alphabets are called capital alphabets. Capital letters, these are small letters, these are capital letters. So they have difference in the size and also shape. Each and every letter, each and every alphabet is different from the first to second, upper and lower part. So we know everyone are perfect with capital A, capital letters and also small letters. Okay. Now let us divide some of the, let us divide some of the vowels and consonants, vowels and also consonant from these alphabets. Okay. From these alphabets, I'm going to separate the vowels and consonants. Okay. Here, Nana, we know what are vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. That is, can you see? This is A, E, I, O, U. Yes, from small letter or big letter. It may be nothing happens from anything, but we are going to divide the vowels. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from A, B, that is A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 letters, these are the 5 alphabets we are going to separate. That is, these are called vowels. These are called vowels. Then what are consonants? See, these 5 specially letters, these 5 alphabets are called vowels. See, and consonants, remaining are consonants, remaining are consonants. Consonants are nothing but, can you see which are not round up here? Yes, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. Yes, and M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And also B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are letters and capital letters and also small letters. So from these we are going to separate consonants and vowels. You are now, which are round up, which are round up, they are called as vowels. These are vowels. Here I wrote, see, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Then what are consonants? Remaining remaining letters, remaining alphabets are called consonants. Remaining letters, that is remaining alphabets, are called vowels. Okay. Nana, we have got now the idea of what are the consonants and what are vowels. Okay. Nana, for each and every letter, they have a name. See now how we are going to call each and every person with the name, specialized name with a special name. Yes, in the same way each alphabet have a name, means with different names. Like we can call with the vowels, we are using the vowels, with the vowels and also consonants we are going to use, and we are making a word. We are making a word, means each and every consonant, each and every vowel we are going to show in the short vowel sounds and also long vowel sounds. So before going to the short vowels and long vowel sounds, we are going to learn letters of alphabets, letters of alphabets. So can you say, from the letter of alphabet, for example, letters of alphabet, can you say here, see, letters of alphabet. The A for ant. Hmm? A for apple. Yes. A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane. Yes, like this, the names which are going to be start with the letter A, and we are making a word like ant, apple, aeroplane, axe. These are some of the words, means letters of an alphabet. These are the letters which of an alphabet A. Okay, in the same way, B for B for ball, B for bee, B for bun, B for box. Yes, like this, different letters we are going to use to form of the alphabet. We are making a word. Yes, so like this, C for cat, C for camp, C for color, C for cap, cap, like this, and D for dog, hmm? D for doll, D for danger. Yes, like this, different words like E, egg, elephant. Yes, elephant. And also we can see many words like a fish, fish, fan, fire, gun, goat. Yes, uh, hide, hike, and H for hen, like this. I for ice cream, ink, iron, J for jug, J for jeep, K for kite, K for kangaroo, like this. Lion, lamp, laugh. Yes, like this, each and every letter, each and every alphabet we are going to write. Like M for monkey, M for mango. Can you see? Monkey, mango, and also man, many. Yes, nest, nest, nip, nib. Like this, we are going to make a letters with the given alphabet. Orange, ox, mm, yes, parrot, pan. I'm just making here only two sounds, that is two words only with the letters and with the given alphabet. You can make a many different letters, making a different a word with the given alphabet. Yes, given, queen, quill, yes, parrot, pan, sun, sheep, tap, top, umbrella, van, wall, hmm? wall, watch. Yes, and Xmas tree, Wi-Fi yak, zebra, like this. If they say two, if they give some of the words, if they give some of the pictures, nana, like apple, and fruits. If they give apple, fruits, if they give some pictures like apple, fruits, like ant, yes, and and also if it is given like a any rectangular shape, any shape. So from these pictures, i'm saying to I'm saying to circle the picture that which starts with a sound, which starts with the a sound. Okay, I'm going to circle the apple in the same way ant. Yes, apple, A for apple, A for ant. Like this, I'm going to start. And here, why I'm going to circle apple and ant? Because these are going to start with the letter A. Yes, what I told you, which starts with picture, the picture which starts with letter A, the alphabet A. So we have to circle that. Here see A F something. So here apple will be starting with A. Here this is rectangle. this is rectangle, this is F, this is A, this is R. So here A, it starts with A, it is F, it is A. So I'm going to circle only letters A, the pictures A. Yes, so understood. So each and every, if they give a ball, any pictures, any four pictures with the letter B, if they say to circle with the B, F, or we have to see the starting letter B or C or D. If whatever the letter, if they say to circle, we have to circle such pictures only. Okay, did you understand? So now let us move for the consonants now. Consonants, yes, we have perfect with the vowels and also consonants. What are the difference between the consonants and the vowels? We are perfect. How we are going to make a letters with the alphabet and with the particular alphabet also we have learned. Yes, now consonants here which are not circled, that we I told you they are consonants. So here now B for bat. Yes, B for, no, B is a consonant, no? Yes, now B is a consonant. With the B, it is a, now I am saying to write it two words. Write at least write two or three more words which we learn, which is used to learn to pronounce the following consonants, which are consonants. I'm going to write some B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are our consonants. So I'm starting with the letter B. The letter B, which starts with the consonant B, I'm making a pronunciation. To know about the pronunciation, just I'm going to write with this. So B for bat, B for bear, B for bull, yes, B for bull, and C for cup, camel, car, D for dog, doll, yes, and no, for example, see here, cup, camel, car, eyes. See, you can't see which starts with the letter C only. It may be eyes. See, we are using C here. Yes, so that is are also type of sounds, a pronunciation of with the letter C. Like that we can make a different words with the consonants. Okay, like D for dog, doll, dam, fish, F for fish, F for fan, F for fire, F for, like this many we can make up. Like G for gate, goat, giraffe, gel. Yes, we can make more words. Yes, and like this H for H for hat, hut, happy, like this. J for I, it is a oval, so we can't it conclude with the consonant. So J for jug, jam, jeep, like this. And K for king, key, kite. Yes, L for lion, lamp, leaf. You can make like this. M for monkey. Yes, M for monkey, moon, man. Yes, man, moon. Yes, like this you can make with the different words. N for nest, nail, nib, and P for pen. Nana, can you observe here? Can you observe here? I'm using all letters to make a word because we are pronouncing with the different with the given letter with the consonant only. Here we know that we are using consonant, but I'm using here vowels also to make a to form a word. You should not think we have to use only. Here one thing you can observe that here bat, B-A-T, bat, B-E-A-R, B-E-A-R, B-U-L-L, bull. Here C for cup, C for camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel, C-A-R, car, I-C-E, eyes. These letters, can you observe? I'm not using all the alphabet B on here. Here it is starting letter, only starting letter, it is started with the letter with the alphabet B. Here can you see all the words are the starting with the C. Here also D, F, here G. So with this consonants, I'm going to make a pronunciation, how we are going to pronounce and how we are making a letters to be a word, how the words pronunciation should be. In this I'm going to done like that, how the consonants are going to be, how the consonants are going to be taken, how they are going to pronounce, how we are going to use in the different form. That's why I told you the explanation of one consonant and also vowels. Okay, so please once again you just revise about the alphabets and consonants and vowels. And now in next class we are going to learn about the short vowel sounds and also long vowel sounds, how we are going to pronounce that. Okay, thank you.